We got treasure, everybody. We got Addie's Treasure Shop, canvas art, metal art, and wooden plaque and tropical coasters. And you are welcome, Brianna. So lots of new sellers here today. I like it. I like it a lot. Let's check it out, Edith. Love the banner and the logo. Really pretty looking, and it makes your shop look so good. Let's see what we got here. So we got some gecko metal wall art. So these are cool. You know, my mom had these in her garden. She had some, I don't know if these were these exact ones, but she had a giant lizard and different metal wall art. And I think these are cool. I think your photo isn't really showing it off in the way it would be used. You know, this is going to go, you know, what's the place someone would put these little guys? I think, you know, the way I remember was I think my parents actually like screwed them into the brick wall of the house. And then maybe we had some in the flower garden or something like that. So I think these would be the pictures would be really nice to show off a little bit more, you know, inside or outside. Yes. Need help with the pictures. That's the main thing. So let's just go look. Let's see what other people are doing. How are they staging their products? How are they making it look cute? Let's look up gecko metal wall art. So we've got these people are doing their photos real up close so that you can see the colors, which I think is a good idea too. This one looks like the winner. 2,000 reviews. And it's real up close so I can see the colors of the gecko real nice and bright. And it looks like they put him on a brick wall. So I think that's the area that makes the most sense is a brick wall. And I bet you could even get like faux brick wall panels. There we go. You could even go to Lowe's and you can get some of these. So you could get a nice little staging area. So this one, $9 a square foot. So you probably buy just one of them. 1 square foot included one. Yeah, you could probably go to Lowe's or Home Depot, some hardware store, and go ahead and get like a few different panels. So we don't need a 50s pack. Maybe you know a lot of these places they will let you take them as samples too. So I would go do that because you could probably get them as a sample because usually they'll let you take a sample and you can be like, yeah, I want to see which one, you know, fits the best on my house or something like that. I want to put them on the wall. You know, like if you go to a flooring store, they'll let you take little swatches of carpet home. So you probably could go to one of these stores and you might even be able to get some free samples that you could use. And I would get a couple of them. Looks like you got a lot of beautiful metal art. And same thing, like this guy, this clean gray wall just doesn't, it's actually very good because it does pop out the red, but it doesn't really make sense because that's not where you would put this guy. You wouldn't put this beautiful red metal bird. Probably wouldn't put him on a wall like that. I think outside really sells a little bit better. Or maybe like a white beachy wall or something. So that's the first thing, Edith. Go see if you could get some samples from Lowe's or Home Depot. A lot of these, they've got all sorts of different walls that you can get. And you can even do scrapbook paper. So that's another one. A good suggestion there, Laura. Let's check these ones out. We got some coasters. Coasters made with cork, shaped like round strawberry. So instead of doing shaped like round strawberry, what you want to do is you just want to do strawberry coaster, fruit coaster, red fruit coaster, and keywords like that. So I'll pop those ones in there, but just more, you don't need to get so many details in here, like made with cork. Instead of saying that, you just say cork coaster, shaped like round strawberry, acrylic paint set of 6. And then this like here, size, all of those different kind of details. Don't really need to have those details in the title. The title should just be lots of keywords, and then those details can go down here in your description. And I would add more details in your description as well. Just kind of like, just sell the product a little bit. Think of it as like an elevator pitch. How would you tell somebody about this in an elevator? I've got some cute, strawberry cork coasters. You're going to get a set of 6 of them. Overall, it's good, but there's no reason not to add a little bit more flair to it. Same here. Hey guys, if you sent in a link to your shop, we'll go ahead and get to it. You just got to pop in a link to your Etsy shop, and we'll get to it. But if you haven't already, then I don't know if we're going to be able to get to it today, because we already have about 24 people on the list, and I don't think we're even going to have time to quite get to everyone on our list today. So same thing with this guy here. I would also recommend a few more photos. If you're going to give them a set of 4, then show a picture of all 4 of them, or a set of 6 or something like this one that comes with a set of 6. Show off that photo with a set of 6 of them, so that they can see all of the different sizes and the options that they have. But I like your shop, Edith. I think you've got some really, really cool items, and your photos are pretty good. I think just making them a little bit more cutesy would be really great.